Dear student, today we are going to learn the error in a sum of some physical quantity. Suppose student, this is a rectangle, okay, of side A and B, and you are asked to measure the side of A and B. So what we have learned from the previous knowledge that whenever we are measuring to some absolute value, there are some errors. Whenever we are going to measure this value, there are some errors associated with this value. So let's suppose del A and del B, absolute error in A, and del B is the absolute error in B, are the errors in measuring the quantity A and B. So x plus minus del x equal to A plus minus del A plus B plus minus del B. Okay, so we have to sum this quantity or nothing. So A plus B plus minus del A plus minus del B. So take this value. There are the four possible results. Okay, there are four possible results, that A plus B, A minus B, minus A plus B, or minus A minus B. Out of this, the maximum possible error is this del A plus del B. Okay, del A plus del B, del A minus del B. This is a del. Okay, this property is a del. Del A, del B, and minus del A minus del B. Out of this four possible results, this is the maximum result, and we are wishing to find the maximum error. We are wishing to find the maximum error in the measurement of A and B. So we see that here A plus B, maximum error in the measurement of A and B will be del A plus del B. So here the one important result comes, that whenever we are going to add two quantities, there the maximum possible error in their absolute error is the sum of the two quantities. Okay, the maximum possible error in their absolute error is the sum of their absolute quantities. Okay, the maximum possible error. So this is the one result. Now we can take the error in a difference. Error in a difference. Error in a difference. Error in a difference. So let's suppose we have the quantity x equal to A and B. A and B are the two quantities which has to be measured, and let's suppose del A and del B are the absolute error in the measurement of A and B. Now we wish to find that x minus del x. Okay, x plus minus del x, that we used to find. Okay, so what happened, student, here A plus minus del A minus B plus minus del B. Okay, so here this is A minus B and plus minus del A. This minus multiply here, which is minus plus del B. So again the result will come A minus B. There are four possible values of this del A and del B. Del A and del B, out of which the maximum possible result will be the del A plus del B. So here maximum possible value is del A plus del B. I am writing directly the result. So whenever we add the quantities, or whenever we take some difference of the quantity, the maximum possible error is the sum of the absolute error. The maximum possible error is the sum of their absolute error. This is the result that we have obtained whenever we are going to add a quantity, or whenever we are going to subtract a quantity. The maximum possible error is the sum of the absolute error. Okay. So in the next section we will see the error in a product, or error in a multiplication and division. Okay. Dear student, today we will learn what happens whenever we multiply two quantities, two measurable quantities, and what happens with their absolute error. So let's suppose the two quantities are represented by x equal to A plus minus del A and B plus minus del B, where del A and del B are the absolute error in the measurement of A and B, where del A and del B are the absolute error in the measurement of A and B. So we have to find that what happens whenever the two measurable quantities are multiplied with their absolute error, and we will reduce one rule also. So let's see. This is x equal to AB. Now x plus minus del x equal to A plus minus del A into B plus minus del B. Okay, where del A and del B are the absolute error in the measurement of A and B. Okay, and we have to multiply and find the absolute error. Okay, now you can multiply A with this function. Okay, so here AB plus minus A del B plus minus del A into B plus minus del A into del B. Now these two quantities are very small, so we can neglect them, and we are remaining with the only these quantities AB plus minus del plus minus A del B plus minus del A B. Okay, this is x plus minus del x. Okay, x plus minus del x. Now if you divide this quantity by x, so what happens? This will be 1 plus minus del x upon x. So it will be AB divided by AB plus minus A del B divided by AB plus minus del AB divided by AB. Okay, so this quantity cancel out. Here this A and A cancel out. Here this B and B cancel out. So we are remaining with the result 1 plus minus del x upon x equal to what? This is del B. So del B upon B, 1 plus minus del B upon B plus minus del A upon A. So this 1 and 1 cancel out. So here we are remaining with the result is del x upon x equal to plus minus, or we can say del D upon D plus del A upon A. So very interesting result comes out here. Whenever we take a product of the two measurable quantities A and B, the maximum related error is the relative error of the individual multiplier. It is a rule. Okay. So whenever the two quantities are multiplied or divided, whenever the two quantities are here, we are taking the multiplies. So whenever the two quantities are multiplied, the relative error in the result, we are getting the relative error in the result is the sum of the relative error in the multiplier. Yes, if we find the relative error in the multiplier, this will be del A upon A, this will be del B upon B. Whatever we are getting the result, the relative error in the result, it is the sum of the relative error in the multiplier. This is the very important result. Okay. Now we will see whenever we take the division of two quantities. Okay. Whenever we take the division of two quantities. So let's suppose x equal to A upon B, where A and B are the two measurable quantities, and let's suppose del A and del B are the errors associated with the measurement of A and B. Let's suppose del A and del B are the errors associated with the measurement of A and B. Okay. So Now x plus minus del x. This quantity will be a plus minus del a, and this quantity will be b plus minus del b. Okay. Now what we do to solve this? We take this b plus minus a in the numerator. So here we are getting a plus minus del a into b plus minus del b the power minus 1. So if you are in the 11th class and you will learn how to open the inverse power. Okay. Now I am opening. So here I am taking a common. So it will be 1 plus minus del a by a. Here I am taking b common. So b inverse come out. It will be 1 plus minus del b upon b. Okay. In this sense it is inverse, so it will be a by b. So it will be a by b 1 plus minus del a upon a into 1 plus minus del b upon b. Okay. Now this will be a upon b 1 plus minus del b upon b plus minus del a upon a plus minus del a upon a into del b upon b. So this quantity is very small. This quantity is very small. Del a upon a into del b upon a. If this quantity is very small, we can neglect. Okay, ये quantity बहुत ही small है, इसलिए अपन इसको neglect कर सकते हैं. हमारे पास क्या बचेगा? a upon b equal to 1 plus minus del b upon d plus minus del a upon a. Okay. Now here we can, if we take the x common here, we take the x common here. So we will take the x common here. So 1 plus minus del x upon x, del x upon x here, and x is nothing but a upon b is nothing but x. So we can write 1 plus minus del x upon x equal to x into 1 plus minus del b upon b plus minus del a upon b. This x and x cancel out, 1 and 1 cancel out. So we are remaining with the result of plus minus del x upon x equal to del b upon b plus here plus minus 2 del a upon a. So again we are getting the same result. We are getting the result as if we are making the division of the two things, finally we are getting the sum of the relative error or sum of the relative error of the very sorry. The result is when two quantities are multiplied or divided. So here we are taking the two quantities which are divided. The relative error in the result. So here we are getting the relative error. The sum of the relative error in the result is the sum of the relative error in the multiplier. So here if you take the relative error here, so it will be del a upon a. If you take the relative error of this quantity, it will be del b upon b. So if see, whenever the two quantities are multiplied divided, जब दो क्वांटिटी को मल्टीप्लाई डिवाइड किया जाएगा तो उनके रिजल्ट का जो रिलेटिव एरर होगा वो उनके मल्टीप्लाई रिलेटिव एरर के सम के बराबर होगा. ओके. सो द सम ऑफ द रिलेटिव एरर इन द रिजल्ट इज इक्वल टू द सम ऑफ द रिलेटिव एरर इन देयर मल्टीप्लाई. Sum of the relative error in the multiplier. So student, we have discussed the theory part over here. Now in the next section we will discuss the numerical part so that you can easily understand what do you mean by the relative error. Okay, or how to solve the question of the relative error. Okay. Now a third thing comes whenever the error in the case of major quantity raised to power. So there is a third case. If we have a measurable quantities which are raised to power, some raised to power. Okay. So what we do is, suppose we have z equal to a square. So how to find the relative error of this? This is a very simple trick. Okay. Del z upon z equal to 2 del a upon a. So whatever the power here is multiplied by this relative error. Okay. Now if we have z equal to a power p b to the power q divided by c to the power r. So the c will go this side. So a to the power p, b to the power q, and c to the power r. Okay. Now what the thing is that it is minus r, but whenever we take the sum of the relative error, this minus will not appear. Okay. Whenever we take the sum of the relative error, this minus will not appear. So it will be p del a upon a plus q del b upon b plus r del c upon c. ओके. तो जब अपना जो क्वांटिटी है, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी, उसकी पावर्स हो, तो इस तरीके से हम लोग रिलेटिव एरर निकालते हैं. ठीक है. ओके. सो इन द नेक्स्ट सेक्शन वी विल डिस्कस द क्वेश्चंस ऑफ दैट पार्ट. सो थैंक यू.